Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. Now, going downstairs and having coffee. But we don't have coffee. Shall buy coffee outside. So, I will get coffee. Okay, we go check outside. Oh, boiling water for shower. Wonderful day today. It's nice. Look at the sky. So really nice. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Hello. What did you buy? And then
This is Filipino style coffee, 3-in-1, Nescafe mix. Very rarely do you get
and then what's the other one?
pandesal.
Ah, pandesal. It's bread.
Bread.
That's our favorite bread here in the Philippines. Pandesal.
Pandesal.
Let me see.
They closed the pandesal place here.
Ah, so the other.
They're closed.
So the other one is, what is it? Selling pandesal also.
Yeah, they're out of business. You see my
Yeah, look.
arrangement? That is for my helmet cam, and
Yep.
we're gonna go and do some rides today just to test the camera.
Really?
Yeah. So, but I need to get a microphone somehow.
Yeah, a Bluetooth microphone. Or wireless.
Yeah, Bluetooth or wireless somehow. Need to
Yeah.
try to figure it out. Okay, let's have some coffee.
Yeah, so we'll go and have coffee. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye for now.